green valve. I don't know how to spell it, but I have now like a tracker. For some reason, wait. For some reason, I need to go right here. So I think when you're outside of this area, wait. Hi guys, it's me Tukang. Oh wait, no, there's a line. Leads me there. For a second, I noticed. Ah, okay. Follow me. I just go here. Oh, totally don't mind me getting this. Oh. Now, how do I do this? Huh. Okay. Wait, puzzles. Get those. Wait, no. Where should I put this? Should I go to the dump? Okay, let's. Oh wait, no, this is the wrong place. Yeah. Here is the dump. I haven't played this game for a bit while. Okay. Nice. Wasted it. Totally don't mind me. Or maybe I can help finding this. Okay, I forgot, but we're just going to be finding the door handle. Okay, no. First, follow me. I am totally in the dump. Wait, this is for like. Who's this? I think it's. Oh. It's here somewhere. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. Follow me. Oh, hi there. Here. Wait. Okay. And then here. This is just not it. We're going to be finding more. Wait. I just forgot again. Wow, damn far. Follow me. Just go back where you came from. We are going to find like something important. That's totally not me. Can I go down now? Okay. Okay, and then here we're trying to get 3 items, and then Next is the ice cream tub. Wait, no. Yeah, ice cream tub. Nope. Oh my god. Okay, there. First, go right here. And then apparently you must go here. What? The just no clip? Okay, it's supposed to be for the back rooms. Okay, I'm supposed to like okay. And then next we must do something with this. And that is trying to do this. And then the last might be the piece of wood. Okay, let me go back on there. Looks like I have to go back in the dump. Oh yes, transporters. Excuse. Oh yes, yes. I must. First, I must become charge. Oh no no. What's that? Yes. That. And then first you must go do this. I forgot. And watch my what's it? How to get my mini rod, or mini rod's knows how to find this. Okay. Next, and I have to go to how to oh get yes.
Jay, are you okay?
Yep, there is. Here is the one. And then I found. Wait, am I bringing? Yep, I think I'm bringing it.
This is a pretty lonely job.
I am supposed to do this, but just watch my video. What's that called? How to get mini rod's nose. And this is taking a bit long. So I'll meet you there. Okay, I'm back, and then I must go somewhere that's like past. How do I get out? The dump. Oh yeah. Yes. There. Okay, so that's how you do this. And now for the last one. Piece of wood. Yeah. Oh god, it's raining. Well, I could be making how to get the piece of wood later because it's about to rain and you can't probably hear me when it's raining. So what's this? What is this? Okay, so see ya guys in the next video on how to get. See ya.